This story starts in Maple Ridge, where engineer Ethan Cole bought a quiet 5-acre property years before any HOA existed. When new developers formed an association, Ethan didn't mind till he noticed something strange. A freshly built community playground sat exactly where his survey markers used to be. At first, he thought it was a mistake, until the emails began. A board member, embodying every ounce of suburban entitlement, told Ethan he was trespassing on community grounds and needed to respect HOA property lines. She even attached a crude digital map as proof. Ethan checked his deed, his original survey, and county GIS records. They all matched hand. They all said the same thing. The HOA had constructed their playground on his land. When Ethan politely asked for clarification, the HOA escalated. Violation notices. Threats of daily fines. Warnings that legal action would be taken if he continued entering restricted common areas. Someone even removed his property stakes. That was the moment Ethan realized this wasn't a misunderstanding. It was a takeover. So he did what an engineer with a meticulous mind would do. He documented everything. He pulled county plats, hired a licensed surveyor for a fresh boundary report. He saved every threatening email. He installed cameras facing the disputed area. And he requested HOA records, which they refused to provide, another violation of state law. The final straw came when the HOA sent him a cease and desist letter for walking on a patch of grass that, according to the official county map, was 100% his acreage. Ethan requested a hearing at the next HOA meeting. They assumed he was coming to surrender. He didn't. The room was packed, neighbors curious, board members smug. Ethan stood calmly, opened a binder, and projected the county's survey on the screen. Gasps erupted. The playground, the lawn, even parts of the walking path all sat squarely on Ethan's private property. Then came the emails, the timestamps, the missing survey stakes, and the refusal to release records. The board's confidence dissolved instantly. A county official whom Ethan had invited confirmed the boundary lines on the spot. And with that, the board's entire narrative crumbled. The HOA's attorney advised immediate cessation of all enforcement actions. They had not only overstepped, they had trespassed, built on private property, and issued unlawful threats. Within weeks, the HOA dismantled the playground, paid damages, and rewrote its procedures under state supervision. The board member who led the harassment resigned in disgrace. Ethan didn't raise his voice. He didn't retaliate. He simply brought the truth to light and legally took back every inch of what was his.